Hello guys, welcome to VChem1. Today we will discuss on the efficiency of packing. In the previous lecture we discussed on the closed packing structure. On the basis of the closed packing structure divided into three parts, one dimensional, two dimensional and three dimensional. When coordination number increase, for example 2 dimension, square and hexagonal. Coordination number 4 for the square closed packing and hexagonal coordination number 6. Coordination number increase, closed packing structure ability increase, means closed packed increase. For example, in the square planar 52.4% efficiency and hexagonal 68% efficiency. So coordination number increase is closest capacity increase. On the basis of this, we discuss on the packing. Efficiency of packing is the percentage of space filled by the particle. When more space filled by particle, its efficiency more, and less space filled occupy, its efficiency less. For example, FCC or HCP, face and hexagonal efficiency 74%. Second, body center 68% and simple cubic structure its efficiency 52.4. In these three, FCC and HCP efficiency highest and simple cubic structure efficiency less. Because of in the FCC structure are very close, its coordination number increase and its less vacant space and maximum occupied space. When these two things apply on each structure, its efficiency find out. First, less vacant and maximum occupy. For example, in 100%, 74% occupy and 26% vacant. That same way, so in this structure, 52.4% cubic unit cell, how to find the efficiency of packing? First of all, on the simple cubic unit means their unit cell. In the unit cell, 8 corner atom present. That way, first 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And these two corner atom, these two and these two are touching to each other. That way, these 4 are touching each other. For example, this 4, consider as this 4, A, B, C, D. We give the name A, B, C, D. So these 4 are touching each other. And its edge length is A. These 2 are touching each other and edge length A. Edge length this is the center of the circle or sphere. That distance, circle to outer portion, this distance is R. This is also R. That same way, R and R. And this is A. This R and that distance is A. So, we write that A is equal to 2R. Then next, how to find out the volume of one sphere? First consider is the total number of present atom. In this simple cubic cell, total number of atom present is 1. Because of in the 8 corner present, corner particles or corner atoms into multiplication of its contribution part. And this contribution part is the 1/8 part. So, 8 corner atom and 8 part is equal to 1 atom. Then, how to find the volume of one sphere? On the volume of one sphere, formula is volume of circle or sphere is equal to 4/3 pi r cube. Then, find out the total volume of cubic unit cell. How to find out the total volume? On the A is edge length. When and volume is equal to V is equal to L into B into H. Length, width and height. In the cubic, length, width and height is same. So this is the A. So we write that A into A is equal to A cube. How to find the A cube? We know about that the A is equal equal to 2r. So a cube is equal to 2r cube is equal to 8r cube. That way, we put this value in this formula. Packing efficiency, volume of one sphere 4 by 3 pi r cube upon total volume of cubic unit cell. This is the 8r cube. R cube cancel. 4 by 3 into 3.14 divided by 8. It gives this answer. And multiplication with 100, it gives the efficiency of cubic unit cell. That way we discuss on this simple cubic unit cell. First consider simple cubic unit cell. In the simple cubic unit cell, 8 corner atom present. These 8 corner atom are touching to each other. And its edge length A. Edge length A is equal to R and R. So this is the 2R. Then find out the number of atom present per unit cell. On the unit cell, number of atom 1. And volume of sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. And unit cell, number of atom 1 present, so its multiplication 1 is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then next, how to find out the total volume of the unit cell. On the basis of the volume, LBH, and this unit cell, A cube is the volume. So A is equal to 2R, A cube is equal to 8R cube. In this value put in this formula and gives the answer 52.4%. Next, body center cubic arrangement. In the body center cubic arrangement, 8 atoms present on the corner and 1 atom in the center. So in this figure, this is the body center cubic cell. Name A, B, C, D. When we find out that distance, because of this is the diagonal to each other. All 3 elements or all 3 atoms are touching to each other. That way, 1, 2, 3. We know a name as this is the A and this atom is D. So these 3 are diagonal to each other. We find out that the volume of 2 sphere and total volume of cubic unit cell. For consider as the edge length A. On the AD, for the AD edge length or AD edge length is equal to A and radius of this atom is equal to R. On the basis of this AD, this is the center to outer line part is R, radius R. This also radius R. In this is R and also R. So AD is equal to 4R. 1, 2, 3, 4. AD is equal to 4R. Then we find out that this distance. First of all, triangle ABC is equal to AC square. We discussed on this previous lecture. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. On the AB square is the distance of the edge length A. It's also edge length A. So AB square plus BC square, A square plus A square is equal to 2A square. AC square is equal to 2A square. AC is equal to under root 2A. That distance is under root 2A. In this CD is also edge length A. That way we find out that AC is equal to under root A, CD is equal to A. Then find out AD. So consider as a triangle ACD is equal to AD square is equal to AC square plus CD square. AC square is equal to 2A square and CD square is A square, gives the 3A square. That way AD square is equal to 3A square. AD is equal to under root 3A. Where another formula AD is equal to 4R and AD is equal to under root 3A. So we find out that 4R is equal to under root 3A. A is equal to 4R divided by under root 3. A is equal to 4R under root 3. Then we find out the total volume of cubic unit cell. A find out total volume V is equal to A cube. 4R under root 3 cube. This is the total volume of cubic unit cell. A cube is equal to 64R cube upon 3 under root 3. Then next is the volume of two sphere. Why this is the two sphere? Because of the in this BCC corner atoms 8 present. Its contribution 1 by 8. So it gives 1 atom. And body center also gives 1. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. That way we consider two sphere. How to find out the volume of two sphere? When one sphere volume is one sphere of volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Then two sphere means multiplication of 2. 8 by 3 pi r cube. That way we find out the packing efficiency in BCC. 8 by 3 pi r cube divided by 64 r cube by under root 3 root 3. And multiplication of 100 means gives the percentage of efficiency. Its percentage of efficiency is 68%. So that way we find out that volume of two sphere and total volume of cubic unit cell. In the total volume of cubic unit cell, first consider edge length A. Then find out this AC distance. AC square plus CD square is equal to AD square. Then find out this AD square. AD is equal to 4R and AD square gives the answer. So AD is equal to 4R. 4R is equal to this answer under root 3A. So we find out that the A is equal to 4 by under root 3. Then A cube is equal to 64R cube by 3 under root 3. That way we find out that the cubic center. Next is packing efficiency in FCC or HCP. On the FCC face center cubic, packing efficiency volume of 4 sphere and total volume of cubic unit cell. Why this is the 4? Because of the in the 8 corner it gives the 1 atom. And face center means the 6 faces present and its contribution is 1/2. So 6 into 1/2 is equal to 3. That way this is the face 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. So this is the face center cubic. Then how to find out the volume of the unit cell? We know that the edge length A cube is equal to volume of the unit cell. So how to find out A cube? On the face center, consider this is the triangle ABC. For example, this triangle A, C and B. This name is R. So this sphere is R. A, R, C and B. This triangle. In this triangle, find out the edge length A. How to find out A? First, this distance is R, radius R, sphere of the radius of the sphere. This is R, R and R. So AC distance is equal to 4. AC is equal to 4R. Then how to find this AC? In the previous lecture we discussed on the FCC. How to find out? Consider as this triangle ABC. So ABC is equal to AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. AB square, this is the edge length and edge length. A square plus A square. So AC square is equal to 2A square and AC is equal to under root 2A. We find out the A value. AC is equal to 4R and AC is equal to under root 2A. Left hand side and right hand side is equal to. So 4R is equal to under root 2A. That way A is equal to 4R by under root 2. And A cube, V is equal to A cube is equal to 4R by under root 2 cube. 64R cube upon 2 root 2. That is the total volume of cubic unit cell. On the one sphere, volume of the one sphere is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. One sphere volume is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. In this FCC, total number of atom is 4. So, this multiplication is 4. 16 divided by 3 pi r cube. Put these two values in this. Volume of 4 sphere is equal to 16 by 3 pi r cube divided by total volume of cubic unit cell is equal to 64 r cube by 2 root 2. Into multiplication of 100 gives the percentage efficiency of the FCC. And its answer is 74%. So in the simple cubic structure 52.4%, BCC 68% and FCC 74%. So efficiency of this FCC is more. So it's closely packed structure. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe. In this next lecture we discuss on the size of the octahedral and tetrahedral void.